Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, what I got for you is a DIY. And don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, let's get right into this video. Guys, look, what I did, because it's going to take time. So what I did, I added, see the candles? You know, the lids of the candles? I added them as my legs to my little centered piece that I'm going to create for you today. And I used just a regular, like, picture frame. You know what I'm saying? Just use that. And then we're going to, and I just wrapped it with some fabric. You can use any type of fabric you want, I'm just saying. And then we have our little rocks we're going to use and cover the bottom part. We have our little planter that we're going to put in the center. Then we're going to level it off with the candles. Now you got the concept. Now let's get it. And I hope you guys having a lovely day. Okay. I'm going to shuffle these around up in here like so. And I'm going to make room here in the center. Like so. Then you're going to place your planter. Let me see. You're going to place your planter dead smacking in the center. You know, then take your rocks or whatever and shake them out. Shake, 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 shake. Okay. Shake, shake, shake it out, baby. Shake it out. This is one heavy sucker though, I must say. It's heavy. It's real heavy though. See guys, it will look like this. Look at the legs. Look at the details, the rocks and everything. This is going on my table though. Okay. You know, I was going to use the coasters, right? But it didn't, the glue didn't stick well. So I'm not gonna use the coasters. I'm just gonna pave like some in the middle. I mean on the sides like that. Put the rocks back in. Do the other side as well. And guys, I use like, I got some little blings in there, little diamond pieces. Okay, can you see that? Am I doing that right? How they be doing it in makeup? So like, whatever. But look, I'm using that. So when the sun hits it or whatever, it's cool. Looks sparkly. Okay, so like so, just make sure it's even and looking professional. Okay, I think good. Then I have my little shells that I'm gonna place randomly throughout the thing. Okay, like so. I didn't need this. I'm gonna use that. That's cool. And guys, but I want to glue this down. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want it to be moving around, crackling and shit. Okay, so let's try and see if it works. Just put a lot of gas. If it work, congratulations. Okay, congratulations if it worked. It's on the thing, but okay, it did what it did. I should glue these down too. I'm serious. I don't want nothing moving. That's just me. Like so. I just don't want nothing moving. I'm sorry. Okay, like that. Straighten your little rocks back out again. All right. And guys, look at that. It's very sexy. I think it's sexy as mother. Look at that, guys. Sales lady. Hold on. Y'all know, y'all already know how I do. Hold on. This thing is heavy too. You know I got to give it its props. That sucker's so heavy. Okay, guys, look at that beauty. You never seen nothing like it. I guarantee you. That is so beautiful. And it didn't even take long to make. Look, and I put the lids on at the bottom off the candle tops. Make sure I use everything, okay? And then I turned around. You know what I mean? Wait a minute, guys. Y'all need to see my hat too. Flossing the hat. You feel me? You feel me? That's what's up. For real though. With that being said, let me represent I'm gonna put it right in my face. Look at that, guys. This is me, Sales Lady Boss Up. Check her out. So subscribe to her channel. And this is what you get. This is what you get when you subscribe. Beautiful DIYs. Okay? Okay, guys? Hey. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY tutorial. So I'll be having more for you guys. So stay tuned. With that being said, guys, I hope you're digging my fly hat. Hey. And I'll see you guys. Hey, stop. I forgot to do a shout out. Guys, make sure you go and support. Hey, who the lucky one? Let me think. Today, I will be choosing. Matter of fact, let me make this more special. I want to make sure it's the right person today. Okay? I want to make sure I get the right person name because I haven't shouted this person out in such a while. Let me see. Okay, guys, I want to shout out Vanilla Caramel. Guys, go and support her page. She support people. I've seen her support people, guys. Just go support her page. You know what I'm saying? Share her videos. Like her videos. Comment on her videos. Hey, first of all, hit the subscribe button on her videos so she can get her subscribers. With that being said, guys, right here, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you and you and you in my next video. Peace.